The Glyptodon was a prehistoric creature, specifically a type of large, armored mammal known as a glyptodont. Here are some key facts about Glyptodon. Appearance: Glyptodons resembled giant, heavily armored tortoises. They had a bony shell made up of many plates or scuts that were fused together, creating a protective carapace. Some species of Glyptodon could grow as large as a Volkswagen Beetle. These creatures were protected by a hard shell like the armadillo or tortoise, comprising of more than 1,000 bony plates, each 2.5 centimeters in width, known as the scrotes or osteoderms. All the species included in this group had their unique patterns of scrotes in the type of shell. Classification: Glyptodons are a type of xenarthran, related to modern-day armadillos, sloths, and anteaters. They lived during the Pleistocene epoch, which was around 2.5 million to 11,000 years ago. Habitat: Glyptodons primarily lived in South and Central America. They inhabited a range of environments, from grasslands to woodlands. Paleontologists, using mathematical calculations, have concluded that their tails were able to generate enough force to break the hard carapace. However, the tail could also be of use as a strong defense against other predators. Fossils of these creatures have been found showing signs of carapace damage. Diet: These herbivores grazed on vegetation, using their powerful jaws and grinding teeth to consume plant material. Extinct: Glyptodons, along with many other large mammals of the Pleistocene, became extinct around 11,000 years ago. The exact reasons for their extinction are still debated, but factors like climate change and human hunting likely played a role. The spices under the genus Glyptodons are considered as the biggest ancient armadillos. Their primary reason to go extinct was due to hunting by the humans that would usually kill them for food and collect their carapace to use as shelters. The carapace of the creature was so hard that it was almost impossible for the carnivores to kill or eat them unless they would turn them over. The creature weighed as much as a small-size car and was as long as a Volkswagen Beetle. The term Glyptodon, in Greek, means a creature with grooved or carved tooth. Fossils: Fossils of Glyptodon have been discovered across the Americas. These fossils have helped scientists reconstruct their appearance and understand their way of life. Glyptodons are a fascinating example of the diverse and unique prehistoric fauna that once roamed the earth. Their large size and armor-like shell make them intriguing subjects for paleontologists and those interested in the history of life on our planet. Glyptodons preferred warm and humid areas, but were also adapted to living in cold areas. The main feature of Glyptodons was their tortoise-like body armor that was made of bone segments called osteoderms or scuts. With this protection, they were armored like turtles, but unlike most turtles, could not withdraw their heads. Instead, they had a bony cap on the top of their skull. Even the tail of Glyptodons had a ring of bones for protection. Glyptodons were the size of modern automobiles and ate almost anything: plants, carrion, or insects. Glyptodon may have been preyed upon by animals such as the saber-toothed cat Smilodon and Homotherium, the giant short-faced bear Arctotherium, dire wolves, and terror birds.